Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Kaiser Permanente password account recovery guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Kaiser Permanente password, visit the official Kaiser Permanente website. On the home page, locate the sign in button and click on it. Once the sign in page opens, look for the Forgot Password link and select it. You will be redirected to the password recovery page. Here, enter the username associated with your account. After entering your username, click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Kaiser Permanente. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the link provided. This link will take you to a secure page to create a new password. Choose a new password that meets the specified requirements. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. After confirming your new password, click on the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been reset. Now you can return to the sign-in page. Enter your username and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kaiser Permanente customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.